If you're looking for a way to streamline your business's workflow, SuiteDash could be your answer. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into how you can use SuiteDash to manage your business and see if it's the right fit for you. First off, SuiteDash is a business management platform that combines a lot of tools into one. It's a great option for anyone looking to consolidate client communication, invoicing, project management, and more into one system. But does it do everything as well as it claims? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the dashboard. It's clean, customizable, and gives you a quick overview of what's going on in your business. You can see your projects, tasks, and important client communications all in one spot, making it a great tool for those who want to track everything without constantly switching between different apps. Next thing, let's talk about project management. You can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. SuiteDash offers a built-in Gantt chart to help you visualize your timeline, which is helpful for those who manage a lot of moving parts. But it's not as intuitive as other platforms out there. The learning curve can be steep, especially for beginners who haven't used project management tools before. The third thing to consider is communication. SuiteDash integrates client portals where your clients can see their projects, invoices, and messages. It's a nice feature to centralize communication, but the messaging system can feel a bit clunky. Some users have mentioned that it's not as user-friendly as other tools like Slack or even email. The fourth thing to check out is the CRM. SuiteDash does offer client relationship management features, allowing you to track leads, convert them into clients, and keep tabs on their activities. However, the CRM isn't as robust as dedicated CRM tools like HubSpot or Salesforce. If you're looking for a full-fledged CRM experience, SuiteDash might fall short. Moving on to invoicing and payments, SuiteDash allows you to create and send invoices directly from the platform. It also integrates with payment systems like Stripe and PayPal, which is a plus. But like the other features, the invoicing system feels a bit basic compared to standalone invoicing tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. And now for the bonus point, SuiteDash is customizable. You can tailor the platform to fit your specific needs, from branding your client portal to automating tasks. But customization can also be overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with all the settings and options available. It's one of those features that's great if you're willing to spend the time to get it right, but might leave you frustrated if you don't. Now, before we wrap this up, let's talk about the alternatives. SuiteDash has some great features, but it might not be the best for everyone, especially if your main goal is super simple, seamless workflow management. In fact, I've got a few alternatives in mind that do the job even better, and they come with free trials as well. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash, but we also have the best deals on alternatives that may fit your needs even better. So don't miss out. Check the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.